I'm free, each free.
Thank you very much.
That's right.
Màá dúpẹ́ ní ọwọ́ gbogbo ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ IID because tí ò bá sí ìbò yín àbí tí ò bá sí àtìlẹ́yìn mi ò lè dé lẹ́yìn ẹ ṣe púpọ̀. Màá wá àpíl sí àwọn tí ó jẹ́ pé wọn ò wọlé gbogbo wa náà lè wà ní executive mo fẹ́ fi rọ̀ yín pé ọ̀dìyàn fact pé wọ́n yàn wá síbẹ̀ láti ilé executive omi pé àwa ni a ní ọpọlọ tó pé jù tàbí àwa nìkan ni a lè ṣe iṣẹ́ yìí gbogbo wa ni a lè máa ṣe so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí ẹ fi ọwọ́ sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú wa. Now the election process has not been completed and to complete it I will have to make an announcement. I will have to call on Mr. Fatai Olaide to be our legal, to continue to be our legal officer. In the same token, I would like to appoint our auditor in the name of Ms. Yinka Okuyemi. My speech will not be completed if I don't mention the distinguished person here. This association was formed by 3 people, and I'll mention their names: Alhaji Kazim, Fatai, and Dakonadi. Unfortunately, Dakon is not here today, and maybe he lost the election as the vice president last time. Maybe that's why he has not been coming. I will not know. But I want everybody to know that Fatai and Kazim invited me to this association, and I'm very happy to work with them. The immediate past administration, I worked as the general secretary with Mr. Kazim. He made me do a lot of work, and I really enjoyed him. He spent his money, he spent his time. There's one Yoruba which says, ability, in his own case, all your ability for a baby, all your ability for a baby, and family for life. The conclusion that IID love, IID commitment, and IID action was initiated by him. And for the past 4 years, this has been our slogan. And this will continue to be our slogan. In addition to the song I've just sang, which is Ilumi Ijebu. And from today, I want to recognize him. And I will only call him past president, but I'll call him President Emeritus. Not only that, as an ex-president and a president emeritus, in our constitution, is an ex-official member. So anywhere we go, any occasion we attend, Alhaji Otunba Bashorun will be sitting on the high table. They said that I should say something that I should improve this association. I'm not the only one that's going to improve it. All members are going to do this. But I want to assure you that this administration is a continuation of the immediate administration, because I was very much part of it. We had a program, a 5-year program. We've done one, which is the hospital